In this Your Stinger on the Road tutorial, we'll show you how your Stinger reacts when encountering a fixed speed trap. This video is for Stinger users with a strip interface. Please note that GPS-based speed trap alerting features and functionalities are only available where allowed. Your Stinger can warn you against a number of speed traps that are fixed. They are installed on or behind the guardrail, on a pole fixed in the ground, or on a portal above the road. Their functions vary from red light checks, speed checks, and license plate scanning. What they all have in common is that they are not mobile and are always at the same location. These locations, which we call spots, are stored in the Spotlist GPS database on your Stinger. So what happens when you're driving toward a fixed speed trap? 15 seconds before you encounter the speed trap, your Stinger gives an audio warning,
Spotlist alarm,
and your strip will blink red. The faster the red light will blink and the faster the sounds follow each other, the closer the relative distance to the fixed speed trap. When you have passed the fixed speed trap, your strip will go back to green. You can also add your own spot to your spot list. When the light of the strip is green, press and hold the right plus area of the strip until you hear the confirmation sound.
added to spot list.
The next time you are about to pass that spot, your Stinger will give you a spot alert.
Spot list alarm.
Spot list alerting is part of the Stinger spot list. Please update your Stinger on a regular basis to make sure you have the latest spot list with current speed traps and section controls. Updating is easy. Connect the Stinger USB key to the Stinger desktop app on your Mac or PC. Check out the Stinger desktop video tutorials on how to update your Stinger. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out our other tutorials on how to optimize your Stinger experience and protect yourself even better against speed traps.